Hi, so today we are going to discuss an important concept which is inferring conclusions from data. So these type of questions are really important and you need to actually understand the question before you can mark the right option, because SAT can really confuse you in the similarity of the options and how to choose the correct one out of these. So let's read the question and try to understand it and then solve to find the right answer. So the question is, a researcher wanted to know if there is an association between exercise and sleep. So they need to identify an association between exercise and sleep for the population of 16-year-olds in United States. So what they are doing an experiment for exercise and sleep for the population of 16-year-old in United States. She obtained survey responses from a random sample of 2000 United States 16-year-olds. So what she did was she collected random samples of 2000 United States 16-year-olds and found evidence of a positive association. So friends, before we move further, we need to understand what is positive association. So positive association is very simple. Suppose we are talking about x and y, that they have positive association. So what that means is that whenever x increases, y increases, or whenever y increases or x increases, it's not only related to increase, because a positive association is both ways. So if y decreases, then x also decreases, is also a positive association, and if x decreases, y also decreases, then this is also a positive association. To remember, so positive association means whatever one does, the other does the same. So that is what is meant by positive association. So the researchers found a positive association between exercise and sleep, right? So now what we have to do is, which of the following conclusions is supported by the data. So now we need to choose the correct option. Let's read the options first. Option A, there is a positive association between exercise and sleep. So till this line we are clear that it is right, because in the question it is saying a positive association between exercise and sleep for 16-year-olds in world. So you might be tempted to mark this as the answer, but think carefully. The option says sleep for 16-year-olds in the world, and what was the experiment initially for 16-year-olds in United States, right? So you might have guessed your answer right here. So in place of world, if it had been United States, we would have marked this as the correct answer, because it's the same line, found convincing evidence of positive association between exercise and sleep in United States. So this is wrong. Let's see option B. Option B is there is a positive association between exercise and sleep for 16-year-olds in United States. So this is something which we discussed in the option A, right? Instead of world, if it would have been United States, this would have been the correct answer. And in option B, it gives us the United States as the option. So option B is correct here, and we would mark option B. So remember, if we would have not read the whole question and understood which country or world they were talking about, we would have chosen option A, which would have been wrong. So remember to understand the question and then choose the correct answer. So option B is correct for this answer. For just for the understanding purpose, let's see other option also. Let's see option C. Why is it wrong? Using exercise and sleep as defined by the study, an increase in sleep is caused by an increase of exercise for 16-year-olds in United States. So why is this option wrong? Because we discussed, right, when x increases, y increases, that is positive association. So it's the same case, that increase in sleep is caused by an increase of exercise. So why is this option wrong? So the reason for this option is wrong, friends, is we cannot infer an cause and effect option from these study. Why? Because the study only gave evidence of a positive association between exercise and sleep. It never said that because of exercise or because of sleep the other increases, or because of exercise the sleep increases, or because of sleep the exercise increases. So it's just saying there's an association between exercise and sleep, but not a cause and effect relationship. So remember to understand why other options are also wrong. So for this, only option B is correct. If you have any doubts regarding this question or any other SAT question, math related question, do post them in the comment section below. Thank you.